video I will show you how you can play 1v1 in Rocket League. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. So first of all, you need to load up your game and then you need to invite people to party. So press R2 on the top bottom right corner and just invite friends or recent players here. As you can see here, you can add as an Epic Games and then Epic Games friend, and then you can invite them to a party like here, right? And once you invite them to the party, basically your friend's car will appear next to you, and then you need to press play, and then you need to go to custom games, and then you need to go to private match, and then you need to create a private match, and you can select, as you can see here, you can select arena, and then you can select team size. So for example, v1, and then no bots, region recommended, and you can also set up as party only. So basically the people in the party can 1v1, or you can select name and password and put basically your server name and password and go through there, but I like to party only, and then press create match, and then we need to wait for a few seconds here until the game loads up, and then basically join teams, and now you can basically play 1v1 on Rocket League. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.